Hello, how are you, Nishi?
I'm hunky dory, and how about you?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking.
And please, it's our first day, so please, ma'am, introduce yourself.
Okay, do you have any idea about me or no?
No, actually, I'm meeting first time, so that's why.
Have you seen some of my videos or not yet?
Uh, I think I watched some videos, but now I'm remembering you. But it means I'm looking you. You are looking different today.
All right. Okay. So, yeah, as you know, my name is Hima. I was raised and born in Delhi. Originally, I am from Uttarakhand, India. However, I have been living in Australia for the last 16 years, which I enjoy. My qualification includes a post graduation degree in Hindi honor, which I have gained in Delhi from Delhi University. I have also completed my Bachelor of Education in Australia. Before, after getting married, I came to Australia and here I have done my degree. Therefore, I have been working as a teacher here. So, by profession, I am a teacher. Moreover, I am an English trainer on one of the platforms called Preply. Um, Besides, I have a channel on YouTube which is the art of speaking English. So, you
I,
know me now or no?
yeah. I got.
You got me? Okay, that's great. So, what is your experience about Delhi? Was it good?
Yeah,
Or you find or you found it very crowded, very polluted?
yeah.
Huh?
It's so crowdy and also polluted. But ma'am,
Mm,
it is a metro city. So,
it's a metro city. Yeah,
yeah. So whatever we get anything, so we can go anywhere, and also in
anyway,
any time
yeah,
we can get
yes.
any.
I
So
like Delhi because I was born and raised there. So I don't know, I have attachment.
yeah.
That is my birthplace, that's why.
Yeah, sometime I miss to Delhi when
Yes.
I went in Faridabad and now I am in Faridabad. So like so many things like
Mm,
if I tell you like any vehicle and also like bus system means is a really fabulous, and also metro station is near to our house. So many things
mm,
are available near to our
mm.
house. So these are the things I always miss. That
Yeah.
yeah, we
So you
can
are
go.
missing out on those days. Yeah, it was so convenient for you.
Yeah. But now,
Okay.
because of one ritual, there was a holy, and so that's the reason I came
Yeah.
my mother's house.
Mm,
Now, still now I'm my mother staying at my
mm.
mother's home.
That is good. So you are in your maternal home, so you can enjoy. Yeah.
Yes,
It is good to go and see our mother, our siblings. Yeah.
yes.
Okay. You didn't tell me about your hobbies. Do you have any hobby?
Means there is not special. My hobbies like cooking, reading,
Okay.
and also this time one another hobby is to improve myself. Means I want to enhance these skills. So I want to
Yes.
brush up this skill. So it is a only one hobby that I am
Okay.
brushing up this skill.
So you found a
Are
So
you?
do you wanna ask? I am married. I got two. I have two lovely children.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yes. So would you like to ask anything, or you want me? I ask some questions.
Yeah, means like you said, or you are in Australia now. Okay, and
Yes.
what is the difference between means in India's education and also Australia's education?
Oh, this question was asked by so many, subscribers and audience, and I have given, answer. You must watch my videos, and then you will get to know. But I would like to give you a brief answer. Yes, because here, children, they are very free. If they want to learn something, they can learn something because we follow children interest. And if we want to teach something to the children, we make sure that we merge our learning, our teaching with children interest. So that way they can learn more enthusiastically. They participate more. Yes. So it not kind of learning for them. It is kind of fun for them. So we believe children they learn through play.
Okay, yeah. So
Yes. Yes.
now means our system means also has changed in India means they are like if I tell about international school and also
Mm.
convent school, they are applying also means by
Mm.
a playing method. They are also playing math. They are also following playing method. Like they are not giving so much burden. Like if I give example in government school also, ma'am, means like in Delhi. I'm telling about only Delhi government schools. So they are not giving so much burden, and they have divided
Mm.
students according to their mind means their knowledge. So like
Mm.
they have divided in categories. So they are also making papers means according their knowledge and also strength. So means they are doing everything whatever they can
Mm.
learn in easy
Mm.
math. So this is the things also means they are working on it.
Okay, that is great. Good to know that the teaching pedagogies has been changing in India and India is progressing. That's good. Very impressive and good to hear about that. So what about you? You have been learning English?
Like last 1 year, I have been learning this language, but because of not making a consistency. So, like
Okay.
I, 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 I left in between. So, and I got also busy. So that's why I didn't make consistency. So I couldn't follow the path. So last
Mm.
3 to 4 months and means 4 to 5 months. I have been practicing now, and whenever I get time, like I was not making a video, and also not means having a conversation with person to person. So I was following another rule, like I was reading, I was listening. So these are the things I always follow, these the rules. But like in last before 1 week I got ill. So I didn't practice because of having of toothache, but I was listening. So I was
Okay.
doing work. So these are the things we can do. So
Okay. Okay, you mean you have been learning English for 1 year and but you were not consistent because of your wedding or some other things happen and you have been consistent for last 3 4 months. Yes, that is great. Great to hear. Now you make sure you maintain your consistency and you keep on practicing and learning because if you don't focus on your learning, you don't work towards your goal, what will happen? Then you will forget because if you don't practice, then we think something else, we engage ourselves some other activities, then we feed our mind with those activities. These things go into these things goes into our mind and then what will happen then because mind is like a computer. Yes, So you need to make sure you need to consume only English content if you are really very serious, if you are a serious learner, if you really want to improve your English, and you need to make sure you immerse yourself in English content, English surrounding. If you don't have in English surrounding, you can make an artificial English surrounding. There's so many facilities are there. Yes, we have internet, we have YouTube, we have Google. Yes, even there are lots of apps over there. You can practice, you can find your learning partner. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So like there are so many apps. I also tried these apps. So when I started using these apps, so means I called to a person, and so they disconnect the call. Many times I tried, and that how can you make consistent, that how can you make confident that
Yeah.
let it be people are not trying to engage. So I think we should be leave these things. So
Don't worry. Don't worry if they are not interesting in talking with you. You can do one thing. You can record yourself. You can use, Miral Technique, and you can start thinking in English. Whatever you are thinking, you make sure you think in English rather than thinking in your own mother tongue. And that way, you will train your mind to think in English. Yes.
yes. So, ma'am, I wanna ask one thing. That did you get environment in Delhi, and where did you go in school? So,
I didn't get any environment. I passed out from a Hindi medium school. I started learning English when I was in class 6. Yes.
okay.
Yes.
So,
And as I told you, I have passed out from a Hindi medium school, and also I have done my post graduation in Hindi honors.
yeah. So, what did you face? Any challenges that to overcome this fear to learn this language? How do you?
I'm a different kind of person. If I'm thinking, oh, this is a problem, then it will be hard for me to overcome. But I don't take it as a challenge or as a problem. I say, okay, learning is good. I like to learn. It's okay. So it wasn't problem for me. Because I did not take it as a problem. When you think, oh, English is a problem, then your mind say, yes, English is a problem. Don't do that. But you need to say English is a learning. It's a good learning. I can learn this. Yeah. Yeah. So then that way you can, pay your 100% attention towards your goal, towards in learning. But if you say, okay, there are so many problems while I'm learning English, I need to give up, it is very hard, then it will become so hard. Okay, it is all about your mind game. Don't just consider it is a problem. Yes, if some opportunity coming, some difficulties coming, I'm not deny there won't be any difficulty. Definitely, it's not a problem, but problem should be there because you are learning, because you are yeah, because you are coming out of your comfortable zone. So there would be some difficulties, but you need to take those difficulties as a opportunity, as an opportunity. You should say yourself, okay, this is an opportunity for me to learn something new, to get myself better, to upgrade my skills. So do like that. Okay.
So, in Australia, what do you tackle? Means which subject do you tackle?
I here I just teach most of the subjects because I teach young kids here. But English is my favorite one. I
Okay,
teach English here. Yes.
okay, okay, okay. So, like you said, you have completed means your master. You completed your master from Hindi. So, did you not means there is no any environment in Australia?
When I came here, definitely people they speak English because English is their native language.
Oh,
But when I was in India, it was totally different because I had no even mobile. I wasn't that kind of person to keep mobile. I had it, but I have mobile. I don't keep it with me. I just keep it away. My friends, they keep sending me messages. They say, "Hey, Ma, you're not replying." I say, "I don't keep mobile with me." So that's why. And yeah, at that time, there was no internet. Well,
okay.
well, well, I was learning before my marriage. No, it would be internet there, but it was very rare. Yeah, even it would be there, but I wasn't using that actually. People, they were learning computer, internet, and all other things. I wasn't paying much interest because my husband, he's a computer engineer, IT engineer. So he knew that time how to do computer because after getting married, he tried to teach me computer. So I was okay because as long as you are good at English, you can learn anything. Yes, computer and WhatsApp and whatever other platforms. And if you feel any difficulties, you can contact me. Yes.
Okay, thank
Okay, bye.